Hi guys, this is Adil. Welcome to my podcast. Before starting, if you have not followed me in Anchor and Spotify, just follow it and download my episode. Everyone in our life have some dreams and you may have hope for the dream, like you can achieve it. For example, some people would have a dream to become a scientist and they will also hope for it. And according to that, they will put some hard work and strive to reach that goal. So don't ever leave your hope. Some or the other day, you will succeed in your life. When we love, we always strive to become better than we are. When we strive to become better than we are, everything around us become better too. Hope is a feeling of expectation and desire for something to come. When we are hopeful, we are optimistic and believe positive things happen to us around the world. Most of the important things in the world have been accomplished by people who have kept on trying when there seemed to be no hope at all. As long as we have hope, we have direction, the energy to move, and the map to move on by. If you make your bed every morning, you will have accomplished the first task of the day. It will give you a small sense of pride and it will encourage you to do another task and another. And by the end of the day, that one task completed will have turned into many tasks completed. Sacrifice is always required to achieve your dream. Stop doubting yourself whether I can do it or not and just believe it, because nothing is impossible in this world. Life rarely ever goes exactly as we plan. We cannot predict anything. Anything may happen at any time. Oftentimes, life will take you in a completely different direction to the path you intended to travel. But no matter what happens, have faith, have hope that you can succeed in your life, that you can succeed in the end, but not right now. It will work out at some other day. Faith is believing it will happen. When there are no signs, it will happen. Faith is believing your dreams when no one else does. Faith is just sitting in the middle of the storm of your life and still being able to close your eyes and picture the sunny skies. Still being able to feel the better days are coming despite the storm all around you. Now, that is faith. Sometimes you need to risk it all for a dream only you can see. Have faith in your dream. No matter what you have to sacrifice to get there, no matter how long it will take, have faith. This will work out in the end. Faith is taking the first step, even when you can't see the whole path. Trusting the rest of the path will reveal itself in time. If you keep moving forward, faith is stepping out there and having a crack when the conditions aren't perfect. If you wait for the conditions to be perfect to go after the things you want, you might be waiting forever. You must have faith that the struggle will pass. You must have faith your time will come, because when you believe in yourself, you are unstoppable. There is no greater asset than faith and believing yourself. Let your faith be bigger than your fears. Have faith, success will be near. Just remember, it may not happen immediately. It may take time. Just keep believing and never lose your faith. No matter whom you are, if you have belief and faith, anything can be possible. One cannot have hope with faith. Finally, I like to conclude with some quotes. Let your hopes, not your hurts, shape your future. Thank you and stay tuned for furthermore podcasts from Adit.